Ice melting's going really, really well until you wander all the way down in the parking pit. And then this is what you've got. And I don't think this will be going particularly quickly. Which is a shame, but is what it is. Very, very, very thick.